southwestern Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cashtown, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail.
I'm in my basement, by the
Source,
way.
radar
With
indicated.
no lights on.
Impact, expects damage
This is
to
how
roofs,
much this thing
siding,
blows.
and trees.
Yes, it's
Locations
crazy.
impacted include Waynesboro, Gettysburg, Carroll Valley, Fayetteville, Wayne Heights, Mont Alto, Scotland, Rouserville, Cashtown, Ortana, Arendsville, and Fairfield. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 19 to 27. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, and Franklin. Strong thunderstorm